Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Kind of hard to imagine that this is actually my 70th 7 times 10 video. Wow. Thought about doing something special for it, but that means planning ahead and all that, so maybe I'll just plan ahead and do something special for my 100th. Anyway, I was kind of straightening up some stuff and looking through bags of stuff that I've got in my room for projects and whatnot, and I came across this. It's I'm not sure what I paid for it. I doubt it wasn't much. It's from Walmart. I mean, you can see I'm in a Walmart bag, and it's a knife. Imagine that. I bought a knife. This is an Ozark Trail lockback pocket knife. 3.5 inch steel blade, 4 inch wood handle. I don't know. Not sure why I bought it with the dual colored handle like that, but anyway, let's open it and see what I got. This little thing is just another fidget. Carry that in my pocket all the time. I mean, it can be, yeah. I almost got in trouble with it the other day. I was doing that at my daughter's house and dropped it on her ceramic floor. Oh man, it went, yeah, it wasn't pretty. But anyway, back to this. So what do we got here? Well, that's not too bad, I guess. I don't have any paper real handy. I should have, but kind of a nice size. Need to be broken into one-handed. I can make a quick little sheet to carry it in. Yeah. Like I said, I don't know what I paid for it. Walmart, it's well under $10. It may be one of those $2 or $3 knives for that matter. It's fairly sturdy. The right size. I like that size blade. So, all right. There we go. Ozark Trail, 3.5 inch stainless steel blade, lockback pocket knife. Hey, thank y'all for taking the time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what kind of foolishness I'm posting. I really do appreciate it. If you would, press that like button and tell your friends about me. Share me around if you would. But anyway, until next time, bye.